We all know the struggle, right? Wanting that perfect grass texture, but you just can't get it in a good resolution or just can't find the right one. I have gathered up a list of the websites I most use to get textures for when I'm doing an image, a diagram, or a render. Keep into account that this is the list I use, so there may be many websites left out. So if you have a preferred one, please leave it in the comments so we can all go visit it. You can also visit the written blog post about this article. And there I will keep an updated list of all the websites that we all recommended to visit to download textures for images, okay? First is textures.com. This is one of the most popular ones among the people that already do images because it's been around for years. Before it was known as gtextures.com, and now it's just textures.com. The textures.com is a website that offers digital pictures for all sorts of materials. They have pictures of fabrics, wood, metal, bricks, plastic, and many more. These images are called textures and can be used for graphic design, visual effects, in computer games, and many other situations where you need a nice pattern or a background image. You can download up to 15 images for free every day. If you need more or bigger images, you can purchase a credit pack, or subscription. This is one of the sites I most use. To download images, you have to create an account. You have to have a 15 credit max limit per day, all for free. But you can also pay a premium membership to have access to more images with a higher resolution. But for what I use, it works perfectly. High quality images that are really easy to find. They have a nice categorical system that allows for you to find the image you need by being very specific. Second is GoboTree. This is also a cool website. You can tell it was made by architectural visualizers. It has different subscription plans and a free one as well. There are thousands of images to choose from, ranging from landscapes, facades, buildings at night, sands, you name it. Once you start creating a lot of images, you are going to see how helpful this site really is. GoboTree is a source of high quality photographic materials, cutouts of people and vegetation, skies, background, and reference images, all delivered through unrivaled searching ability. The third one is Tony Textures, or as I also like to call it, Tony's Place. Just kidding. A while ago, Tony reached out to show me this website because I had never heard about it before, and turns out it has an incredible library of textures. So he was nice enough to give me some for free. You guys can access them too in his page. Just enter your email address and get a free pack of images for your ArcBase images. Just for the record, this is not sponsored by Tony or anything like that, but I think it is a great place to get a nice pack of textures for free, or you can also pay for a premium pack of textures. All the links to these pages are in the description. Next is Polygon. This site is one of the more pro of the bunch. It has images that are also greatly mapped. So as you guys know, there are some sites where you just download images that are, just photography in general, and then they have some other sites. Then there are some other sites where you can download images that are already mapped and ready to be applied in the 3D space, right? So this is one of those sites, Polygon. Meaning you can insert them in your 3D model and apply it to your buildings or surroundings, and when it renders, you will have a great looking material. There are also other sites where it's just more convenient to add them in Photoshop in the post-production process. And the fifth one I have is Google. You guys have seen our videos. Google is basically our main source of getting images. Not only because it's Google, but because it's always updated. There are always different images. Sometimes these websites are great, but they're not updated as much as Google because, Google is a monster and they have thousands of information. So in Google, you will always find something different. The disadvantage of it is that you won't always find it in a good resolution or with your, it's material that is copyrighted. So that's a huge problem. But if you look deep into Google, you will certainly find some jewels. So don't underestimate the power of Google. And last, this is a bonus. This is not a site, but this is something I really recommend to everyone, even if you're not an architectural visualizer, or you're just a plain architecture student, it doesn't matter. But you have to keep your own library of stuff. This is of textures, of people, of trees, of 3D models, of everything. Everything you want to try to keep it in a separate hard drive, because these are things you are going to use for maybe your whole career, or you don't know how much you're going to use something. You don't know how much we really use trees. Like, I don't know, like people, trees, and skies are the things that I use the most. And there are some skies that are just like, they're the skies that I really love, and I think that go well with a lot of images. Keeping the library and keeping it well categorized is a great plus. So basically, these are the sites I use the most. I would like for you guys to comment down below what are the sites that you use the most, or that you recommend. And if you would like for me in the future to release some of the things I have in my personal library, also comment down below. Thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe, like this, and go to our Instagram because it's fire. See you guys later. Bye.